So what we are doing here, we are a fashion brand mainly, also working with interior materials. All materials we use are existing materials, mainly tablecloths and bed linens and stuff like that, which are rejected because there's a little stain in it, or there's another kind of repair to be done. And instead of burning it, what normally is done, we take them from the waste, and then we start dyeing them with natural ingredients. Also, a lot of them are like waste from restaurants, like onion peels and avocado seeds and stuff like that, but also other natural ingredients. And that we do. With that, we make the stains even bigger. So the whole stain becomes a pattern. Instead of something ugly, it will become something special and something to talk about. So with those materials, we then again make either tablecloths just like that, or we create them, make them into clothes with our in a high-end segment, which are sold throughout Europe and via our own web shop. So that's actually what we are doing, and what you see here are just, this is not the way we dye normally. So there's, in our case, there's no fabric inside at this moment. That's just to show the colors that come off, but we put our ingredients in a pan and make a little soup out of it. That's boiling, and then we drop it in big boxes. Actually, this is just a small example, but they're much bigger, and all fabrics are wrinkled in there and gathered. That eventually, after 3 days of just standing there doing nothing, it's kind of fermenting, and it creates these patterns at the end.